Hello. In this video, we will look at the multiple choice questions in chapter 16 of the Java book. Now, let's look at the first question. To create a label with the specified text, use new labeled, new label, and you should use this with a specified text. So this is the one. To set a red color for the text in the label. This is the label LBL. Use this set field. No, this is the color, his name is not right. And this is set text field, and this is not right. So this is a set text field. So this is the one, answer is D. Next question, what are the properties in labeled? So alignment is, content display is, graphic is, text is, underline is. So these are all properties. To set a note to the right of the text in a label LBL. So you're going to use this set content display. This is to the right. So that should be this to the right. Next question. What are the this are the superclasses for label? So this has to be and here is and this so the superclasses, the scene is not, and the labeled is, and so button base is not, control is, and note is. So these are the superclasses for label. Next question, analyze the following code. So here is the code. So this is the HBox pane, and we get the image icon. And now we have this is button 1 and using this image icon, and button 2 and using this image icon. All right, so we're going to see add this buttons to the pane. Now, 2 buttons displayed with the same icon, so that's right. So you can use this. And only BT2 displays the icon and BT1 doesn't. No, this is only BT1 displays and icon, and BT2 does not display the icon. No. 2 buttons displayed with different icon. No, this is the answer is A. Next question. So we have this buttons with the same text at the buttons. This is the buttons. All right, so now we have this is into this stack pane. This is a stack pane. Only this one button is displayed with text Java. 2 buttons, 3 buttons. All right, because you're using stack pane, it's actually you can see only one. So I think this should be the answer. It's A. We're going to check it back after we finish this bunch of questions. So let's look at the next one here. So this one here, we have this all these buttons here. Okay, and add all the buttons in the fruit pane. So the now we can see all this is 4 buttons are displayed with the same text. Yeah, this is fine. All right. So which are the superclasses for button? So actually, no, the label is not, but the label is. And if you look at this is the figure 16.5. So this is the, you can see that, yeah, 16.5. Yeah. And also see figure 16.1. So this control is and node is. So these are the subclasses for button. The set on action method is defined in, so here is in the button class. Okay. Next question. Which one checks whether the checkbox CHK is selected? This one here should be this C is selected. Which of the following statements are true? So here is checkbox is a subtype of button best. That's right. And checkbox is a subtype of button. We have to look at the figure 16.7. So you're going to see that's not the case. So here, the next one is checkbox is a subtype of labeled. Checkbox is a subtype of control and node. That's all right. Which of the following statements are true for the radio buttons here? Is this one here is radio button is subtype of button best. That's right. And radio button is subtype button. No. Radio button is a subtype of labeled. Yes. And radio button is subtype control and node. That's all right. Next question. So which one checks whether the radio button RB is selected? So this should be is selected. So that's the one here, is selected. All right, now analyze foreign code. So this is the one here. This is, we have this, the radio buttons in this toggle group. So we add it into this pane. So this is pane. So here we have this into the pane here. So let's look at the question here. The program displays two radio buttons. The two radio buttons are grouped. Now, you have this toggle group, but you didn't have the method to group them together. So here the program displays two radio buttons. The two radio buttons are not grouped. So this one is not grouped. So you need to have this set toggle group from the radio button to group the buttons. So this is not grouped, no. All right, next question here. Which of the following statements are true? Text field is a subtype of text input control. That's right. Text field is subtype button best. No. Text field is subtype labeled. No. Text field is a subtype control. Yes. Text field is subtype node. That is true. The properties. So what are the properties? This look at the figure 16.11 for this text field class. So text is an editable alignment. Preferred column count is action is. So those are the properties, and these properties can be used for text field. Which of the following statements are true? You can specify a horizontal text alignment in a text field, right? You can specify the number of columns in a text field, right? You can disable editing of a text field, right? You can create a text field with a specified text. Yes, So that's right. All right, next question. The method. So here, gets the contents of text field TF. So which one is this? Should be B, and get text. Which of the following statements are true? Password field is a subtype of text input control. That's true. Password field is subtype of text field. That's true. Password field is a subtype of labeled. That is, no, that's not true. Password field is subtype of control. That's true. It's a subtype of note. That's also true. Next question. Which of the following statements are true? You can specify a horizontal text alignment in a text area. Horizontal text alignment in a text area. No, I think if you look at the figure 16.13, and this is not true. There's no such thing you can use for this text area. You can specify the number of columns in a text area, right? You can disable editing on text area, that's right. You can create a text field with a specified text in the text area, specified text. You can specify the number of rows in a text area. I think this is all right. Next question, to wrap a line in a text area TA, invoke, and this one here, set wrap text. So I think you wrap a line. So wrap the text here, and this is the one here, wrap it in a line. So you set wrap text true. To wrap a line in a text area, this is the text area. On words, invoke. So we're going to invoke this one here is wrap style would is true. So this is the one here. The method appends a string into the text area. So which method? That should be append text. Which of the following statements are true? A, text area is subtype of text input control. That's right. Text area is subtype of text field. No. Text area is a subtype of labeled. No. Is a subtype of control. Subtype of note. All right. I think we're going to stop here and check everything we have done now. So let's go check it. All right, we got one mistake here. So let's see where the mistake, it's right here. Oh, set down action method is defined, actually defined in the button base. So I think that should be a D. So this is the, yes, not in the button, it's in the button base. All right, that is all for the multiple choice questions in the first part of this chapter 16. We will resume in the next video.